Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to discuss about another very important topic related to Angular custom pipe, where we will learn how to convert numbers into Roman numerals with the help of custom pipe. So by the end of this session, you will be able to understand how to write the logic for that pipe, for that custom pipe that can help us to convert numbers into Roman numerals. But before we proceed further with this session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic and to implement the logic. Okay. Alright, so let's get started. Here you can see we have multiple files open. So let me show you the first file, that is app.component.html. Here we have already coming we can see the heading, that is Angular 19 course by Sharmit. After this we will put another heading which will go like this, which will tell the users the topic of today's session. So today's topic is Angular custom pipe to convert numbers into Roman numerals. Okay, so this is our main target for the day, that how to convert numbers to Roman numerals. Okay, fine. Now after this, what we will do, from heading it's clear that we need one custom pipe. So let's create the custom pipe. So to create the custom pipe, you just need to write ng, which is for Angular, g generate p pipe, and the name of the pipe. But prior to that, let's keep the folder name also. So my pipes slash, and then the name of the pipe is num2 rnum. Okay, rnum means Roman numerals. Perfect. Now you can simply press enter. It will take few seconds, and then it will show you the folder which is created newly and which contains two files. One file is num2 rnumpipe.spec.ts. We are not going to touch this file, as you already know, like from last couple of sessions we haven't touched it, right? Because this is something related to testing that maybe we will do in the later go, but not now. Then we have this num2 rnumpipe.ts, where we will write the entire logic or the main logic of the code. Okay, fine. But before that, we should register this file. So to register this pipe, what you need to do, you need to use the name of the complete file name, not this name. This name we will use when we will be referring it in the HTML file, but here we will just directly use this thing, that is num2 rnumpipe. So let's go to app.component.ts file. Here in import section, we will simply write num2 rnumpipe and enter. Once you press enter, it will automatically import this num2 rnumpipe. That means now you can utilize this pipe in your program. Okay, fine. Now before moving to the logic part, let's understand the requirement first, because if your requirement is clear, then you can write the entire logic by your own. But if requirement is not clear, then you might get some challenges. Okay, so let me show you the input, sample input and sample output that we are going to build. So I'll add this thing, this comment, and here in this comment part I will add like simple input, then colon, and after a colon we will write over here let's say 2025. Okay, and we want to convert the sample input into sample output, and output should be like this, xxv. So this should be the output when we are going to convert the number into Roman numeral with the help of custom pipe. Okay, so I think requirement is clear that we have to convert each and every number into the Roman numerals, but how to write the logic? Now I'll tell you how to write the logic. So to write the logic, let's go to num2 rnumpipe.ts file. Here we will remove this unnecessary part because we are going to create everything from scratch. And here in this transform method, we are going to receive one number, that is, I'm giving it as a name original number, then colon, then the type would be number, of course, and we are going to return the Roman numerals, so I will make it as string. So let's define it as string. Perfect. Now after this, what we are going to do, we are going to write the thing, the logic part here. So firstly we will create one map. Let me show you how. So you just need to write here const, then map, then colon, and type would be any, then equal, then curly braces. Okay, now here we will define or map the values of the Roman number. If you don't know much about Roman number, it's completely fine. You can check out once about the Roman number, then it will give you the idea like what it is all about. Okay, but here I'm just writing the logic, and as a programmer you can understand like what all things we are writing. Okay, so here we will set the first value m as 1000, then comma cm with capital letters 900, and make sure these all things are case sensitive, so please write it in a same case. Okay, then d as a 500, then comma cd as 400, then comma c as 100, then comma, and after a comma you will write here xc, that is 90, comma L colon 50, then XL comma 40, then X comma 10, then IX 9, then comma V, that is 5, then comma IV, that is 4, and then we will write I, that is 1. So if you have learned about the Roman number, you know about these initial things, like 1 we write with I, then 4, for 4 we will use this IV, which is a Roman number. Okay, so after defining this thing, just simply put semicolon over here to terminate this map. Then we will define one result variable. So let's define let result equal blank. In this result only, like we will return the actual value. Okay, so let me arrange it. So I just saved it and it automatically aligned the code perfectly. Then we will run one loop over here. So for const key in map and curly braces, here we will write while num greater than equal to map of key, then curly braces, here we will write result plus equal key, then num is not there, we have to write original number. And always try to use a meaningful name so that you can relate it later go, otherwise num type of thing will confuse you. Okay, so here I will write original number minus equal key map and then semicolon, and then after the two curly braces end we will return the result, and that's it. Return result. Perfect. Save it and let's verify the logic. If you have any doubt in logic, you can simply reach out to me in comment section. I'll explain you in a very detailed manner. Okay, fine. So here I will write a p tag where I will write number without pipe. Number without pipe would be colon, then let's give it 2025 only. Okay, then we will write here, let me change the paragraph, p tag number with pipe colon, here I will write 2025 but with pipe, that is num2 roll number. Perfect. Now save it. So ng serve hyphen open, enter. After enter you will see that output is changed and the heading the output is populated, that is Angular 19 course by Sharmit, Angular custom pipe to convert numbers into Roman numerals, number without pipe is 2025 and number with pipe is mmxxvv. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. I hope the session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Sharmit, and if you have any questions, queries or suggestion related to this topic or maybe any other topic which we have discussed so far, feel free to reach out to me through the comment section. I'd be more than happy to help you or answer you there. Okay, another thing, if you are a college student and if you are preparing for any interviews or exam, I would just humbly suggest you to please make sure to perform these all things by your own also. Okay, if you do it by your own, it will help you a lot. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. See you in the next session with new topics. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.